So, bro, listen. When were you not in church today, man?
Pastor, I have a toothache. And the pain was too much, so severe that I cannot even chew. I cannot even do anything. You need to take water.
You see, brother, you see, the God is the God of science. You see, the God is sad is the God of sharp.
Just set there behind me, stand up, let me see. Ah, the power is open. The power is open.
Stand up.
Hey. Hey.
My project in time of need. You are